playing Roblox. And we're gonna be playing the escape obby something. Shut up! Oh. Okay. I'm gonna be searching up fast. Escape. A. Flat.
I saw you. So you better move right there.
Let's see.
Well, you're not even awesome. My mom's giving you. But I'm making you. Stack up. But my dad could do 5 seconds. And look.
Okay, finally. Trying to find the game.
That's stupid.
Why didn't you? No.
I could have socialized. I'm making you so I could do gymnastics too. So if nothing happens and you stop fighting
This game hacker obby.
with the girls and the boys, or like you could stop fighting with them. But
Okay.
Mom, I don't want to fight them.
Gonna try it. Like
You're
that.
so mean to me.
I wanna see how it goes. No, please don't tell me it's how it goes. Doesn't even have a hacker. Okay. So eat. Nah, this game sucks. Okay, we're gonna be playing another one. I don't like it.
No one has to go to our ride. Only little kids.
Oh. Get the fuck out. I think I found it. Why would a fat guy be? Oh, you heard that? Did you hear that? You heard that? Oh, it's another freaking stupid obby. Oh my god. What is that? I'm not gonna check it out. Oh my god, what is that? Okay, I'm gonna be playing Escape School Lobby. Why? Well, that's not gonna be the 3 special guests. I guess it's only 2. That's what you get. Oh my god.
Not there.
Who is doing that?
You put it in.
Hey, let's get out of here, everyone. Else, left. Everybody else left. And the teacher's sleeping. Let's go. Oh, wow. The teacher, wake up. Well, I guess we have to sleep. The teachers are talking. Go to the bench. We should give the kids more homework, of course. Look, he has to people laugh. Don't tell me it's going to go. my damage? I got hurt by the teacher.